Alrighty, it is currently gonna look backwards to you all, but outside of, well, headed towards the outside of New Albany. And instead of doing it before work tomorrow, I'm going to go feed the cows now. Well, I'm probably gonna do it before work anyways, because they need all the feed they can get, especially when it's this cold. I'm about frozen, and all I did was walk in the gas station. But I'm currently about to drive over these treacherous railroad tracks. I mean, y'all can see how bad this car jumps when I drive over them. I think they'd fix that shit. Every time they pave it, it gets worse. You think it gets better, but it gets worse. But I'll be back. Alrighty, I'm currently about to turn into, well, not the driveway to the farm because there's 4 of them, but a driveway going to a part of the farm. A part of one of the farms. Y'all want to see something crazy? Look at this driveway. Driveway's bumpy as hell. I'm pretty sure that's why my car in the back left is making this clunking sound. Been doing it for a long time. I know it's just gotta be a bushing or a couple horses right by the fence here. Oh man, they're jumping for joy. They know food's coming. And they're taking off like rockets. Look at this. Probably can't see them, but they're like, oh yeah, dinner. I'll be back. Brownie, Navajo. There's my buddies. Oh, come on. Too cold for this shit. I gotta get the tripod. Alright, I'm setting this up. I'm just gonna dump a little feed along the fence line for them. Got this partial bag from the last video that I've been keeping in my car, and I want to use the last of it. When I got whole bags, I can open and use all of it at the same time.